Hey friends, if you wish to fix no batteries detected error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for batteries, right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Then, you can right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and download and install in the right pane, or check for updates, whatever option you have. If both of these don't help, then straight away perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.